Hey everyone, before we get started on today's video, if you didn't use a referral code when you signed up to drive for Uber, it is not too late to get a bonus of up to $1,000. You can use my code right now and you could get that bonus. It depends on when you signed up. It could be $500, could be $800, it literally could be $1,200. But you could literally just get that money right in your account just because you did give the rides then, but you didn't use a referral code. So check it out, guys. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name's Greg. What we're doing today is an unboxing of Play Octopus. I've been a really big fan of Play Octopus for a long time because they're one of those companies that, it actually feels like they care, and mainly it's just a great way to make more money while you drive. Like, that's just the biggest thing. So Play Octopus, guys, for those of you that don't know, it's a tablet-based system. People can play it while you drive. If people play it, it makes you more money. So pretty awesome concept. I love it because I think it's a great conversational thing. I think if you're in one of those rides where someone's really quiet and they're not talking and you're like, okay, do I talk? And is that gonna bug them? So I've found it's nice when you have something relative that it's like you feel like you need to bring up or you should bring up. So something like Play Octopus, I have always thought it was really great for riders like that because you can be like, hey, just so you know, I've got this tablet. It's got some games on it. If you'd like to check it out, you're, more than okay to do that or whatever. Hopefully it sounds a lot more fluid than that. And they're either going to say yes and play it and enjoy it, or they're going to say no and possibly think, hey, this guy goes above and beyond for his passengers. Maybe they won't think any of that. Who knows? But let's open this freaking thing up. However I do that. So this is the really dope box you get. Play Octopus. Oh, there we go. That's how you open it. So, free games. Play and win. And it comes with, comes with this little thing. You're invited. Oh, it's for their Play Octopus Drivers Facebook group. Nice. Looks like it comes with like a little sticker of some sort. You guys can't see this because of the lighting, but there is actually a design on here. Then what else do we got? We got more of these so they give you a bunch of these cards so that you share it with all your many friends. And then we got this thing. I think this is how you mount it. Yeah, so it looks like this would wrap around the back of your car and then it attaches to those hook things, I guess. Pretty sweet. I have this weird thing where I like the smell of like new packages, and I just got a whiff of this package. You guys are probably like, this dude's psychotic. And then finally, nice long Android cable. Definitely need plenty of those. Oh, it even comes with a USB thing. And look at this, the tablet itself. I mean, you gotta admit, this is like a pretty dope thing. Like, you don't have to pay for this, guys. They just send you this whole LG tablet. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure you can get on the internet on these. So let's try and turn this bad daddy on. Hopefully it's not dead as a doornail. If not, I might have to plug it in real quick. But yeah, so while I get this thing fired up, some Play Octopus facts is they're in a ton of markets now, guys, even Toronto. So my Canada peeps, you guys need to get on Play Octopus. Obviously, links in the description to get started. This is like, guys, this is actually like one of the most legit, like, third-party, like, programs. Plugging this thing in, sorry, y'all. That Uber, well, not even, it's not like Uber offers it, but that Uber's partnered with, because this is one of the ones where you actually make like good money doing this. A lot of this stuff ends up being a little shammy, and you got to kind of watch out. But Play Octopus is actually really legit. I mean, I know they have a ton of money in funding too. Like, they're gonna be around for a while. But yeah, pretty much every major market in the United States. I mean, Atlanta, Boston, Phoenix, Vegas, obviously LA. Oh man, it's way more cities than that. I'm just not able to think of them off the top of my head now. But yeah, so now it says it has 45% battery, so I'm gonna actually try and power this thing on. And it's not powering on. Maybe I'm hitting the wrong button. Oh, there we go. Now it's powering on. So y'all are getting nasty reflection of that stairwell. All right. LG Life's Good, powered by Android. Turning on by Sprint, I guess. Sprint and Android. But yeah, so I really hope I can get into this and show you guys some of the features, but once you're logged on, where's it taking us? This is actually really sick though. And it's got a groovy little beat. Okay, so now it's updating. We get this funky little music, and okay, so the first game that's up while it's updating is actually, it looks like trivia. Where did the Beatles originate? Rome, New York City, Liverpool, and the fourth answer's covered. If you say Rome or New York, like, so this might take a while to update, but you guys gotta admit, this is like actually really dope. Like, so basically where this would be is it would be mounted to like the back of one of these seats, and they'd just be playing games on this while, I'm actually shocked that there's like stuff going on in the background, and they would just be playing games while you ride share. If you're not in a major market, I can't actually fathom why you wouldn't get this, because it's free. So you literally just have this set up and you make more money if people are playing this back here. Like, that's amazing. So yeah, it's still updating. It's probably gonna take a while to update. As you can see, there's ads playing in the background. But all in all, guys, like this is a major win. I don't know like what the average number would be, but I know like we had a lot of people that were writing into us and telling us they make at least an extra $100 a month on it. So like, this isn't going to be a type of thing where like you've all of a sudden got a 6-figure income because you have this tablet on the back of your car seat. Wow, I can't talk today. But if you're making an extra like $100 to a few $100s a month on it, that's actually huge. Think about the cost that takes care of. That's a lot of gas costs from Ubering. I don't know what you guys spend on gas, but for me, like when I was Ubering heavy, I was at least filling up every other day. So anything to negate that cost and help me make more money was well worth it. I honestly wish this would have been around when I was like really heavy into it, into Ubering. So basically the general way you're gonna make money off this is just people are playing it and they make money as a company, because then they play ads every now and then, and so every view on that ad that comes from your car, I'm pretty sure they're able to tell, and then you're gonna get paid for that. So all in all, guys, really awesome app. I'm sorry, service. Highly recommend it. I want to show you guys other games and stuff, but this thing is updating, unfortunately. So all in all, you should get it yourself and check out all the other services they have. So I'm gonna leave that be for now. This is Play Octopus. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as you guys saw in the beginning with the retroactive referral code, I definitely highly recommend you guys check that out too if you haven't yet. It is a super powerful thing. I mean, you're literally talking 2 minutes of your time and you could have $1,000 in your bank account. You can't tell me that's not worth it. Now, you guys have probably heard so much about it, but it's popping off right now, and I want to make sure every single driver knows about it, especially my newer drivers. You're the ones that are really going to profit off this. So if you signed up to drive for Uber and never signed up with a referral code, get into the description, use our referral code and see if you get some money. So 2 things to check out, guys. The main thing is Play Octopus. Get on that. As you can see, this is a really dope service. And then yeah, check out that referral code, and I hope you like this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.